this court granted bail to certain accused.
Yeah.
And वो जो एक मेंटेनेंस ऑफ पब्लिक ऑर्डर है उसके तहत this court's order has been frustrated. The abuse, extensive abuse, we cannot just shut our eyes and pretend as if we do not know. This court is the custodian of fundamental rights of the people. And that is what is being highlighted. And again, I will emphasize, what is being highlighted is this culture of deviance which has been entrenched in this governance system for the past 76 years. This letter addresses that question.
My Lord, I couldn't disagree, and I couldn't agree more. And जो जैसे माय लॉर्ड ने कहा,
कॉल और फेल में तजाद नहीं होना चाहिए।
जी ठीक है।
अभी आपने कहा कि जी ये गवर्नमेंट जो है वो कोर्ट के ऑर्डर्स को ऑनर कर रही है
जी जी।
और कमिटेड है कि उसको फॉलो करेगी। लेकिन जैसे अतर साहब ने बताया कि बेल ऑर्डर्स हुए, पर्टिकुलर केस में हम जिक्र नहीं करते, लेकिन वैसे बता रहे हैं हाई कोर्ट के ऑर्डर हुए या सुप्रीम कोर्ट के हुए, उनको फ्लाउट करने के लिए एमपीओ का सहारा ले लेते हैं। तो आपकी एग्जेक्टिव कर रही है ना ये नहीं, इस तरह ना करें ना फिर ये तो
नहीं माय लॉर्ड, ये ठीक है बिल्कुल। अगर और वैसे भी एमपीओ के ऊपर शायद एक जजमेंट भी आ गया है हाई कोर्ट का, आई डोंट नो वो अपील में उसका क्या स्टेटस है, आई एम नॉट फुली अवेयर ऑफ इट, बट
उस ऑर्डर उस जजमेंट के होते हुए ये अमल हुआ
जी,
यानी आपको
एमपीओ के नीचे अरेस्ट
यू आर वायलेटिंग द जजमेंट
नहीं है, बट ये तो नहीं हो सकता सर, ये तो नहीं हो सकता, ये तो दिस कैन नॉट बी काउंटेनेंस्ड, दिस कैन नॉट बी काउंटेनेंस्ड।
थोड़ा मौका देते हैं सदर साहब को।
My Lord, insofar as the bar associations of this country are concerned, we, for ourselves, we've been pointing this thing out repeatedly, that there have been off and on instances quoted of such like interference. But an institutional response is the key question here. And for ourselves, for myself personally, I thought that if we investigate...
Now we will not hear you personally, we'll hear you as the president.
But the Supreme Court Bar Association felt that an inquiry into this can be a good starting point for an institutional response. And unfortunately...
ये बता दें जरा सी, मैं वजाहत कर दूं, I think we are operating in different domains. I think the domain of an inquiry is altogether different.
Yes.
Because can the Supreme Court hold Mr. X responsible for interference or intimidation? That, I'm just thinking aloud now, that would be the inquiry report which will say, yes, Mr. X did this and he is responsible for this. It could be he acted on his own. It could be he's acting under instructions, because a lot of people have their own personal agendas भी हो जाते हैं कभी-कभी। वो ज़रूरी नहीं कि वो सब इंस्टीट्यूशनल बात हो। तो उसके बाद अब हमारे इख्तियार वो अलग डोमेन है, हम उनके पावर तो नहीं खींचेंगे ना, हम वो काम करने बैठ जाएंगे कि हम इधर हम कैसे इन्वेस्टिगेट करेंगे बैठ करके, किसी इंक्वायरी के थ्रू होगी या पुलिस FIA।
यही है। That is why we were in support of the idea of an inquiry commission. And I still believe that
even the judges want it inquired
yes.
into. Now,
and
how to inquire into such? That is left.
The best possible course was adopted already, and there has been a lot of criticism over that for no reason. People who are criticizing are not even aware of the dimensions of the 2017
Have
law.
bar councils reached out to you that we think this is a better way?
No, my lord, for myself and
no, not for
again for the Bar Association and the Pakistan Bar Council.
Have they said something to you? Ye hai.
No, my lord, nobody is suggesting an alternative route, and nobody is suggesting a better way of eliciting an institutional response to this high-handedness which is being shown and which is condemnable.